everybody. My name is Ria. And you know, I love my teddy. This is my favorite teddy. I always keep this and play with this teddy. And I eat food with this teddy. And I sleep with this teddy. I love this teddy so much. It's time to sleep. Let me sleep. Ria! Ria! Mommy is calling. I have to get up. It's time for school. I need to go to school. Okay, Teddy, be here. Okay, Mama is coming. Let me go. And Ria was running. She threw the Teddy. And Teddy was fallen there. So, Mama, Ria, it's time for you to go to school. Please go to school. And Ria said, okay. She got ready and she went to school. It's time for Mommy to go for shopping. She took her bag and she was taking in their house, in Ria's house, there was a dog. What is this? Dog. The dog name is Robbie. What's the dog name? Robbie. Robbie was a little naughty dog. What Robbie did you know? Robbie went here and there, took Teddy, and this Robbie was playing with Teddy. And he was playing and he threw it inside Mommy's shopping bag. It was inside Mommy's shopping bag. Mommy didn't notice. She went to mall to shop. As she was going and she went to the shop, she took the stroller and she kept her bag here. And the Teddy was fallen inside the stroller. And she didn't see. And she was taking all the provision for house. She took fruits, vegetables, rice. As she was purchasing things, what happened? The stroller went away like this. Teddy jumped inside this garbage bag. And Mommy was going. She didn't notice the Teddy was there. She bought all the things and she went back home. As she went back home, she was there. And now it's time. Ria is coming from school. Yes, I came back from school. Where is my Teddy? I want to play with my Teddy. Where is my Teddy? Did you see my Teddy? No, did you see my Teddy? No, where is my Teddy?
I'm not seeing.
Robbie, where is my Teddy? I want my Teddy back. Where it is? Where? Boom, 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 boom. My Teddy. Wait. Ria is not able to find. Oh, she was crying all the way. She don't know. You all know, but Ria doesn't know. She was sleeping without eating food. She was crying. She was missing Teddy so much. And she was crying, weeping, and she was sleeping. Then, in the shop, garbage people, they chose the garbage and they kept in the garbage van. The van went to the garbage place and it fell and they threw everything in the garbage side. It's fallen and the garbage man went back. And this side, Ria is crying. Don't know what to do. The next day morning, again she went to school. She was upset. My Teddy is missing. My Teddy is lost. One day, what happened there? There was a bell and what is this? Eagle. flying here and there, flying, flying, moving all over, finding some food. Oh, here the eagle found a garbage area. On the garbage he was looking, is there any food? As he was looking, he found a teddy and he was carrying with his beak and moving, and on the way in his journey he dropped the teddy in front of Ria's school and eagle flew away. And here comes Ria. The bell rang for lunch. She came outside and she what is this? My teddy! Is this my teddy? Yes, my teddy. Oh, I love you so much. I was missing you, Teddy. Where did you go? Where were you? I missed you so much. Why did you leave me and go? The teddy was, and Ria was so happy because Ria found back her teddy. So when you love something more, by chance it get lost, it will come back to you. Okay? Ria loved this teddy so much. It was lost, but she got back and she was so happy. She took the teddy and she went. Bye bye.